Good morning there, ladies and germs, and welcome to another video. So, as you can see, we got some end of summer snacks. Most of these are new to my area. Some of them I've never seen before. I'd like to share them with you, and we can see what my reaction is. If I like it, you're going to know about it, and if I don't, you're going to know about that too. So, I'm going to move the Kit Kat bars over there. And we're going to move in. Okay, so we can put these down on the desk. And the first thing we're going to look at is the White Castle chicken sliders. Now, I had no idea they had chicken sliders. Can you get a good look at that? There you go. There you go, baby dolls. Oh, look at that. I knew they had burgers. I knew they had cheeseburgers. I had no idea chicken sliders. So let's go ahead. Bring this into focus. Focus. There we go. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. Hungry. Okay, so let's... Oh, that makes me... Come on. Okay, I'm trying to move the patty back, but it's not wanting to go back. So we're not going to make it. But here's the slider. Never seen the chicken slider before. Please let it be good. There's no condiments on it if you want to add mustard or ketchup or mayonnaise, relish. I mean, you could doctor it up yourself. But it just comes the chicken and the bread, and that's it. Okay. The chicken is pretty good. It tastes like that lunchroom chicken that we get in school. Processed, yeah. Does it deliver? Is it edible? Well, in a pinch, if you're really hungry, this will definitely curb your appetite till you can get to dinner. I am not mad at it. Now, if I was to doctor this up, with maybe a slice of tomato, a little bit of lettuce, maybe a pickle. This will make a pretty good burger. Well, it's not a burger, it's a chicken slider, but you know what I mean. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm trying to get past how plain it is, because it really is. It's gonna need some help doctoring up, but that makes a really good snack. Okay, now we got these. I don't know how many different flavors there were, but I managed to get my hands on 3 of them. Now, I don't know about you, but I swear I had this before. I don't know if they just changed the packaging or whatnot, but when you're on a summer picnic, you have potato chips, you know, so we got the end of summer picnic. Well, I smell the oregano and a little bit of garlicky scent. It tastes like a pizza, like what you would get in the combos. You know, those little combo thingies. Again, I'm not mad at it. It's good. It delivers on the flavor. But for me, no big whoop. I'm eyeballing that chicken sandwich though. Okay. Sweet and spicy. I don't see this. Where the heck are my glasses? Hang on, guys. I need to read the ingredients. Okay. And I'm looking for a particular word. Okay. So where is it getting the heat from? If it's not wheat stick, whey. Okay. I need to make sure there's no capsaicin in this. And I need to make sure that the heat is like an artificial heat. I mean, they do everything artificial nowadays. I swear, unless you grow it yourself, something artificial's in your foods. Come on. Now it don't want to be eaten. The fat girl wants to eat you. Open. Open says me. I wish you would have stood close. Okay, so this one's a little different. This one has little ridges on them. And it looks mean. Look, it looks mean. Not speckled. But you can see the coloring on that sideboard. Oh, God. Okay. No. At first, it's like a nice, sweet, mild flavor. And then the flavor goes away and all you get is heat. The heat is not bad. I'm a big puss and I'm not screaming. I'm not reaching for nothing to drink. It's not bad. It's warm. It's over the entire tongue. The entire tongue is warm. I'm disappointed because it's not enough flavor. I mean, I don't mind it being a bit warm, but there's got to be flavor behind it. No one likes eating plain fire. Let me correct myself. Most normal people don't like eating fire. Okay, now this one is a chicken sandwich again, but it's a spicy. What the heck? Spicy? Everything is spicy? You just can't give me a chicken sandwich? You have to screw it up? Okay. That one's just regular Pringles. Oh, God, no. Oh, God, no. That I needed this for. Hang on. Mm-mm. 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 I wonder who's had capsaicin in it. My lips feel tingly. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, if you see this video, it means I'm okay. Whew. Mm-mm. I can't eat none of those. Oh. Yeah, my entire mouth is tingling now. Have no business eating capsaicin. Sorry, guys. This video went south real quick. I will be giving those to coworkers. I'm not crazy about the pizza, but I'm definitely not into. I mean, the sweet and spicy barbecue, it really does taste good. But I wish it had more barbecue flavor instead of flames. And this, I can't. You taste me. I taste a slight bit of chicken. You know, you have that meaty after flavor, or you have that meaty flavor in your chip. But after that, it's just pure fire. Whew. Yeah, nothing enjoyable. Okay, so we're going to end this on a sweet note. So we have the fruity cereal, Kit Kat. Now, I don't know if you know, but Fruity Pebbles is 50 years old this year. Oh my God. Oh, cereal is, I'm never going to go there. Yes, I was eating that as a kid. I don't believe it. Well, I might as well say it. Might as well say it. I was eating that cereal. Wow, it was listed new on the TV and the commercials and everything. I'm sorry. I just got all nostalgic on you. 50 years, the cereal is 50 years old. So anyway, that's what it looked like before I broke it on that end. And this is the part I'm gonna eat. Oh my God. Oh my God, it tastes just like it. Oh my God. It has an after smell of fruity cereal. This is definitely going to be wonderful to eat. Hey, I started off good. A nice chicken sandwich. I ended up with a nice Kit Kat bar. Not a bad review. I mean, not all videos are going to be happy. Some are going to bomb. This is one of them. But anyway, I still like them. I love that I got to try it in front of you. And maybe you might want to try it on your own channel and see how you like it. And tell us what you think. I'm sorry, guys. I just had to. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, we're going to hope for the best. We're going to prepare for the worst. And I guarantee you, kids, we're all going to end up somewhere in the middle. Till next time. Bye!